welcome. Today we're going to show you how to return your Savana products. So here's the Savana website. You can use it better on the app from your phone, as see from here. So if you have a product that you bought, you will have 14 days to return it if it has not been damaged or tampered or changed with any way. So you can actually just sign into your account from here. So you can just add your phone number or something and log into your account, as see from here. Or you can use your Google or Apple ID, or you can use the organic ID, I'll see from here. So after you have signed in, you need to go to your orders from here. After you go to your orders or your cart, you need to go to the return section, I'll see from here. Click on return and see what orders that you can return with the 14 days limit. So if you don't have the return button, or if there's something bugged or glitched with the app, you can actually call the Savana support. So they can help you to return your order with the 14 days limit. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.